Hello, 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 everyone. How are you today? Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, Whoppa! Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you today? Welcome in Crypto Legendz, the best educational channel about crypto and Bitcoin. How are you today? So my name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super hyper mega legend because it's true. And today we are talking about the price of Bitcoin. Woo! So Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. As you can see here, we have a strong uptrend from $20,000 to 24 in the last 2 days. We have this strong uptrend, and yeah, basically this strong uptrend was really fast, was really brutal, because in my opinion, they want to liquidate the major number of people much more as possible. So this is a really complicated situation, because in the 4 hour this looks really good, and you can start thinking, oh yes, this is the beginning of a new cycle and a new uptrend. And also you can start thinking, oh, this is the new beginning of a new bull run, and the people start to move in FOMO. So yeah, this is what I think. People are going to move like here both a lot in FOMO, because the price was pushed up in this uptrend. But yeah, it was a trap, basically. It was a trap, in my opinion. But yeah, it's looked great, because in the downtrend that started now, we have already a small support zone information, so it looks great. But yeah, this basically looks like a trap, a perfect trap, because in the 4 hours you can see this, and you can say, oh, we have a big pump for 20,000 to 24,000. But if you look closer to the volume, and if you look at the interest rate, you will understand that this was like made on purpose to let people fall in FOMO. And yeah, what happened today is that Bitcoin found the same resistance of the last week, around $24,000. This was the same resistance, $24,000 and $24,000 of today. It's the same resistance. And this is, as we said, as we speak before in the last video, this is the worst case we can have about Bitcoin, because if we look at the daily, this is exactly didn't recover to the EMA 200, so it didn't recover here, but it just reached a liquidation level of the 25x. So yeah. In my opinion, this resistance around $24,000 and 200 is still valid, because we didn't pass it already. and this looks exactly a double top. And yeah, until we didn't reach this lane, Bitcoin price is not going anywhere. So, for what to expect now? What to expect? What to expect? Now, I think it's a good moment for wait and see what's happening for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, basically, we had this downtrend last week, and we have again this big rise really fast, really quick, just 2 days to pass $4,000. The major liquidation were here during this fall, and the major liquidation were here. A lot of people liquidating. There is a lack of liquidity and a lack of users in the exchanges. Last month were the month where a lot of people withdraw money from exchanges. A lot of million of bitcoins were withdrawn from exchanges. Yeah, this the price basically reflects what is going on here. Because yeah, if we check the chart today, we can see there is the same resistance here, the same resistance around $24,000. And also, if we check this indicator, the money flow indicator, this trend passed from the downtrend, so really oversold last week, and in next 2 days it passed for the overbuy in the 4-hour time frame. It means that it was really quick and fast, but this doesn't resolve our issue, because what's our problem? Our problem is that in the daily, the situation didn't change at all. Because until we are not reaching this level around the 25,000, and if we don't cross this level, the Bitcoin price is not going anywhere. So this is basically the worst case now, the worst case we can have. And yeah, we faced the resistance once again around 24,200. So from here, or we have two options, or we broke up or about $1,000 or $2,000, and we have a breakout like yesterday of $1,000 or $2,000, and the price starts going up once again, and we pass this line. Or we will fall dramatically again here, around $90,000. So this is basically what will happen. So yeah, these are the two cases, the two option cases, in my opinion, that could happen about the price of Bitcoin. I expect a retest of the EMA 200 in the 4-hour time frame. So basically what to expect here is that we are going to retest this lane. So what to expect here is the price will fall down again. This is basically what I expect. And why not? Maybe it could fall more down. I mean, last support zone here is around $19,000, so we can drop again until this level. So these are the two major resistance at the moment. We didn't broke out today. We didn't do nothing. So what to expect now? Now I will expect a small downtrend until this EMA 200. Basically, this is what I expect. The price went up too much fast and too much quick. The volume, there isn't any much volume for this pump. And basically, I cannot see an accumulation phase here. I cannot see nothing. I can only see people who are buying in FOMO. But this doesn't mean that Bitcoin is in accumulation phase. So the price also in the daily passed from the oversold zone to the overbought zone. And look, the money flow stayed here, didn't change it, but the price pumped like $4,000. So basically, what to expect now is two scenarios. Two scenarios. One scenario is Bitcoin will pass this resistance and reach the $25,000, and we can continue for the uptrend. But we are facing this resistance at the moment, and so this is one of the worst scenario we can have, in my opinion. The second thing that Bitcoin could happen in Bitcoin is that we don't pass this 24 and 2 because it was just a purpose to liquidate people of 25,000 X, and Bitcoin price will not go higher. It will have a pullback. It will have a pullback where exactly? I think it will have a pullback here, around $18,000. So what to expect? If we don't pass this 24,000 region, the price of Bitcoin will go again lower here. So this is what to expect. Scenario number one, we move higher, more than $24,000, and we go for the uptrend and we cross brutally this lane. We pass this lane around $2,000 or $3,000. Second options is we don't pass. We got a rejected here about $24,000 and 200, and the price of Bitcoin starts falling down once again. So these are the two options. At the moment, what can I see here is still this big resistance, and yeah, the price of Bitcoin at the moment looks having a small pullback from here. So I expect more to go lower at the moment to retest these EMA 200. So yeah, there are a lot of bearish divergences in the 1 hour, and yeah, I expect to go lower. This uptrend was just a bull trap to liquidate people, in order to liquidate people. If you can see, this lever was exactly the liquidation level. So it touched exactly the liquidation level. So also, if you can see, it touched exactly the liquidation level. It spiked to the liquidation level. And yeah, I want to show you the other chart. In the other chart that I want to show you, as you can see, the Bitcoin volume is really, really low. So if you can see this chart here, the Bitcoin volume is going really, really low. So yeah, I know that could be strange and weird, but if you can see this chart in the daily, we have another flag like this one, where it's over with a sell signal, and as you can see here, it's really clear that the volume is really, really low. And the hash rate bounce indicator, it's not for the hash rate bounce indicator, the capitulation of Bitcoin, it's not finished yet. This was the first recovery, but it's not finished yet. So I don't expect a recovery here. Look the volume. Look, the volume is decreasing continuously, and yeah, there is no volume basically. There is no volume. So what to expect now is, yeah, I think Bitcoin we have another small pullback for the downtrend, and Bitcoin will continue the uptrend because yeah, there are too many signals at the moment that are bearish. So if you can see the cipher B indicator, as a sell signal, and if you can see the money flow indicator as overbuy, the price was overbuy, and if you see the 24,200 region, this level was really sold. So I don't expect a continuation for the uptrend at the moment until this could be like another cap with handle, but we need some confirmation. So at the moment, yeah, it's good to buy Bitcoin because, in my opinion, the price went really down from $60,000 to $20,000. So it's always good to buy Bitcoin because the price went down a lot and the price is all good. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is still a store of value, still a store of value from yeah, a long time. So yes, Bitcoin is still good to buy. If you buy at spot and you hold, the price of Bitcoin is also good. You can make profit. You can double your money with the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, it's still good to buy at spot. You can buy at spot and keep in your portfolio, your wallet. You can put your Bitcoin on funding or on staking because the price is still good because we are at $20,000. So the price is still good. Bitcoin price dump a lot. The last all-time high was $60,000. Now we are at $20,000. So the Bitcoin price, in my opinion, is still good to buy because we dump really a lot. So yeah, from last year until now, the price of Bitcoin is still good to buy. Still good to buy because yeah, in my opinion, it's still a store of value. The price went down a lot. The indicator now are all oversold. So for the last year, the all-time high, the price of the all-time high was $69,000. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is still good to buy. But yeah, it's still good to buy. If you can see from this chart, the last all-time high was 262 days ago. It was yeah, the price was like $69,000, and we are still $45,000 away from the all-time high. $45,000 away. So it means that Bitcoin is still a good buy opportunity. So if you buy at spot, and if you hold the Bitcoin in your wallet, it's still good to buy. Bitcoin is really a good buy opportunity because the price went really down a lot. But if you can see here, it's not a recovery really fast or really quick. It will maybe need more time. Maybe in the end, maybe during this month, maybe in the end of the summer. But look at the volume. The volume is still going down. But here looks that we have maybe there could be a reverting of the trend. But yeah, the volume is still going lower, so I didn't expect a recovery really fast at the moment for the price of Bitcoin. But yes, we fall a lot because the last all-time high was around $69,000. So yeah, it's still a really good opportunity. Look where there was the last all-time high was here. So yeah, this is a really good opportunity to buy, and we are around here right now. So in my opinion, yes, Bitcoin is still a good opportunity to buy. If the price will pass from here to $55,000 again, it will be like $45,000 profit. So Bitcoin is really a good asset and is still a store of value, in my opinion. So yeah, the next bull run could be epic. So it means that it could be an awesome opportunity. So for all the traders, I think that it's good to buy Bitcoin, to have in your wallet Bitcoin, just not to go trade on leverage or margin trading, just to buy and hold in your wallet. So this is really important because, yeah, I mean, my suggestion is just to buy and hold in your wallet. Don't do over leverage, don't do nothing stupid because you will lose just all your money. So this is not good. And yeah, you can buy and yeah, enjoy your life. Go out, put your money on staking and on funding, and you will find more Bitcoin. Then when the price will goes up, you will find more money in your wallet. So this is really simple, really simple, and also the price at the moment is really good. You don't have to do nothing stupid. You don't have to go on like high leverage. You don't have to go to take a position every day. So just buy a spot and keep holding in your wallet. So now, what to expect now, in my opinion, I will show you again in the daily. You have to check the daily chart before to understand what is going on now about the price of Bitcoin. So my 4 hour time frame look like this. So we had this big resistance here, and we have the second resistance right now today here around 24,200. So this is basically looks like a double top. And yeah, I don't know if Bitcoin will continue the downtrend, but yes, my target should be a retest of the EMA 200 in the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, in my opinion, yeah, this could be confirmed from this daily chart because until we didn't cross this EMA 200 in the daily chart, nothing will happen. So there is no recovery already, and this could be like a bull trap because we are keeping the same resistance around 24,200. So what to expect? We could expect another downtrend and another pullback until yeah, around 22,000, 22 or 21,000, somewhere around here. Yeah, to test, retest again this resistance around 21,000. So this is what to expect. Otherwise, if we broke up, the price broke up around like $2,000 in the next week. The $2,000 in next week means that we will pass this EMA 200 in the daily, so the price of Bitcoin we will start a new cycle and a new uptrend. But basically, we need this confirmation. Otherwise, the price of Bitcoin will have a pullback, a strong pullback, and will fall again like under $20,000 in my opinion. So yes, this was the last support zone around $18,000. So yes, these are the two options. Options number one, we pump up $2,000 and we go around like 26 or $27,000 like here, and we pass the EMA 200 in the daily, and the Bitcoin price will pump more, and the uptrend will continue like this. So this is possible. And the second option is that Bitcoin price can't pump. So we had this major resistance around $20,000. The price will start a pullback from here and will start again a downtrend, a big downtrend, to retest this support level in the daily around $80,000. So this is basically are the two options right now for the Bitcoin. And yeah, as I said, don't go over leverage, don't be liquidated, always use stop loss and take profit. Don't go over leverage because you can hit the liquidation price and you can lose your money. So just buy at spot price and keep your Bitcoin in your wallet. Don't do nothing stupid. Don't use leverage. Just buy Bitcoin and put them on funding or staking, and do nothing. Go out and enjoy your life. And basically, you don't have to do nothing. Yeah, it's really, really simple. So I think that's all for today about the price of Bitcoin. We saw different options about trade, different trading ideas. So thank you very much, everyone, for Chuck Crypto Legends show, and subscribe to our official social media account, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and join our community on Telegram. Yes, Crypto Legend is growing really, really fast, really, really quick. We passed the 16,000 visualization on YouTube, and we have already 270 subscribers from all around the world. So yeah, I'm really, really happy and glad, and I hope to continue like this because I love and I'm having a lot of fun. So yeah, this is beautiful. Thank you very much, everyone, for Chuck Crypto Legends show. And yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So also don't forget to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. My name is CryptoBuck. I'm the Super Hyper Mega Legends. And don't miss our live shows and our update about the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, we are going to educate the community. Also, we are going to start a crypto trading school with Bob. So thanks everyone for watching our live show, and wish you all a fantastic weekend. Thanks. Ciao crypto. Ciao, 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 ciao. Ciao legends of the legends. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much everyone. Wish you a lovely day, a lovely weekend, and don't forget to have fun with ciao. Ciao. Megala. 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 Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.